Hi, I'm Greg Matheson, the Chief Operating Officer for Found Gold Corp, and today we're looking at what is the first really high-grade new discovery of 2023. We're looking at drill hole 23-1100, and what's really impressive about this new discovery that we have here at Queensway North is that we're seeing a very broad fault structure, upwards of 30 meters in true width and located approximately 300 meters to the northeast of the Keats zone, and has been intersected by several holes to date, starting at a very shallow depth of only 10 meters below surface. Why we're so keen on this intersection here is that we've identified this as a very similar structure to the Keats Main fault structure, which hosts much of the very high-grade mineralization at the Keats. It's a northeast trending fault that dips moderately to the southeast. We believe that the intersection in drill hole 1100 is actually a fault offset of the Keats Main zone, and it's been displaced roughly 300 meters to the north. As we've discovered this now at surface, our team's continuing to follow this zone at depth and along strike. It's obviously very similar style mineralization to what we see in the Keats Main zone. What we've got is considerable amount of faulting, lots of fault gouge, and various phases of deformation. But also we've got the massive quartz veins that are coming in, carrying considerable amounts of visible gold mineralization. Very similar to the Keats Main structures, we've got brecciated phases of the quartz vein, and you can see in there's a lot of disseminated sulfide mineralization. There's a fair bit of disseminated gold within the quartz, but also very buggy textures associated with this style of mineralization. The veins themselves also have a stylolytic phase, and what we're seeing in the stylolytic phase is a very high content of fine-grained visible gold, and this is associated with our typical sulfide mineralization here at the Keats zone, often being arsenopyrite, boulangerite, sulfur salts, and lesser amounts of chalcopyrite, but quite a lot of visible gold in this specimen. It's an exciting new discovery, and it really shows that the project's continuing to find new discoveries that are close to surface. This intersection's less than 10 meters from the surface at a vertical depth, and the Queensway project continues to grow. In 2023, we're seeing our drill program increase to 500,000 meters. We're going to be active throughout all of 2023, and starting out with this brand new discovery is a very high point for us to kick off a new drilling season. The recent discoveries in late 2022 at the Keats West zone is going to be very active for 2023. We're going to see a lot of drilling on the west side of the Appleton Fault, as we've opened up a number of new exploration corridors on that portion of the project. And our team's going to continue to drill out this zone, both at depth as well as along strike. And it's adding to the overall concentration of zones along the Appleton Fault corridor.